Hebrews 11 verse 1, now faith is confidence in what we hope for and assurance about what we do not see. Mark 9 verse 23, if you can, said Jesus. Everything is possible for one who believes. Romans 10 verse 17, consequently, faith comes from hearing the message, and the message is heard through the word about Christ. 2 Corinthians 5 verse 7, for we live by faith, not by sight. James 1 verse 6, but when you ask, you must believe and not doubt, because the one who doubts is like a wave of the sea, blown and tossed by the wind. Matthew 21 verse 22, if you believe, you will receive whatever you ask for in prayer. Ephesians 2 verse 8, for it is by grace you have been saved, through faith, and this is not from yourselves, it is the gift of God. Romans 1 verse 17, the righteous will live by faith. Galatians 2 verse 20, I have been crucified with Christ and I no longer live, but Christ lives in me. The life I now live in the body, I live by faith in the Son of God, who loved me and gave himself for me. Psalm 37 verse 5, commit your way to the Lord, trust in him and he will do this. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.